Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Do me a favor, thumbs up this video for me, please. Share, subscribe. You're gonna want to hit that notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. Okay. So today, you guys, we're doing an unboxing and pretty much talking about some jewelry. You saw the title, ITALO Jewelry. So here we have the mobile website of italojewelry.com, just showing you guys what this looks like. Free shipping and 60-day return. Ooh. Okay, so basically they have different categories: hot selling, engagement rings, wedding bands, wedding sets, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and they even have their new arrivals section. And for an outlook at all of the categories at once, you can hit the side menu. And just for you, 20% off on any order, use coupon code FRO20. ITALO Jewelry, this is not my first time dealing with ITALO Jewelry. Like, you can never, ever go wrong with this company at all. Like, it is one of my personal faves. They are like pretty long lasting, and I pretty much, honestly, between me and you, I've bathed in my rings and I've even swam in my rings, but don't tell anybody. And they still look just as great. I call a jewelry company great when it can withstand anything. You get me? So we have a box here. This is the box right here, ITALO Jewelry. We're gonna get in depth about this company. We're gonna talk deeply about this company. All right, so a very cute little bow. I love how they just put so much thought into their packaging. Simple but cute. So I think it opens from, oh yeah, it opens like that. It's like a magnet, which is pretty cool. So there we have it. We have ITALO Jewelry right there chilling. Okay, we see that. And when you first open it, you just see this pouch here, which is, I'm guessing, which is for your jewelry. As you can see there on the side, it says ITALO Jewelry. We have a silver polishing cloth. So this is the cloth here. It is made of like high quality cotton. And then next, I see in here, we have like a little card here that tells us a little bit about the disinfection process of the jewelry. So they do take the time. I think that's cool. They take the time to let you know that everything in here is sanitized, including the warehouse that they work in. So they let you know all of that on the card. We have a card talking about their 60-day return policy. We have a card here talking about the 1-year warranty with ITALO Jewelry. Also have a certificate here. This certificate is placed in your order. We also, last but not least, have a card here that tells you how to take care of your jewelry. So it's like a jewelry care guide. Okay, so I'm just gonna take one out really quick. So first of all, look at the casing. Absolutely sophisticated. Look, let's open this up. Oh. So what you're gonna see first is your size tag on here. I have a 7.25. So the tag comes off pretty easily, no struggle. Put this ring on, oh my gosh. Oh, that is gorgeous. Fingerprints off here. Look how gorgeous, oh my goodness. This is beautiful. I've turned my lighting down so you guys could kind of see what we're working with here. Absolutely gorgeous. We have diamonds on the front here, all the way around, even halfway down on the band part. You turn the ring around, there's diamonds on the very front, the back, sides, diamonds all the way around. And as you can see at the very top, we have diamonds around the trimmings. And the very middle is just breathtaking. Oh my gosh. I'm showing you a little far back to show you how big this ring is from afar. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. So she is considered an engagement ring. This is the double prong halo emerald cut engagement ring right here. SKU number 211899. Now, if you go on the website, as you can see, you should have this particular ring pop up here. Beautiful, out there, classy, but flashy. Are you ready? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, and this is my color. Y'all, I'm into the greens and stuff. Oh, look at that gold band. I love gold so much. What is that? We have a diamond on the side here. Look at the details. Gold band, there's a diamond on the side here. Then there is an emerald stone in the middle. And we have another diamond on the side. So this is called the 3-stone emerald engagement ring. Show you the front of it. There's the back. Cute indentions in the front and the back. Gorgeous and more simple than the first one. Look at that. This is the same size as the first one that I showed you, 7.25. The SKU number is 211852. Of course, if you would like 20% off, you can use my code. So I'm gonna show you far off. Look how simple. It's a little dramatic, but not too much like the first one, you know? Gorgeous though. Definitely an eye catcher still. And there it goes right there. We got a nice view of it inside of the box. So once you do have your stuff in your cart, you guys, I'm just going to show you where you could put your discount code. It is FRO20 for 20% off of your order, okay? Just showing you exactly how to do that, and showing you how much it takes off. They have standard shipping, free shipping, and express shipping. And look at that, it took $50.79 off of my order. How cool. So as I've stated, they do have a 60-day return policy. You definitely can read up on that. Also, there's a 1-year warranty. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And if you're interested in any of these pieces, do check out the links in the description box. Once again, we have a coupon code for you guys, FRO20, for 20% off of your order. Once again, there's a 1-year warranty, 60-day return and exchange policy, and worldwide free shipping. Affordable, high quality jewelry. Oh yeah, checkout is 100% safe and secure. No worries.